Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the OPPO F19. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts and message at the start, you will check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand icons, and now just look for the DND, do not disturb mode. If you don't see it, click on the three dot icon and tap on the edit tiles. Now you should find the do not disturb mode here. You can swipe to the upside, go back, and now make sure that you have this feature deactivated like here. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it by the misclick, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and open the app info. Now we're gonna start from the manage notifications. Of course you have to turn it on, and the lock screen banner, etc. Just get rid of these settings. After that, in the next step, go to the data usage. Now turn on the background data here and be sure that you have deactivated disable and the mobile data and Wi-Fi. In the next step, try to clear cache of your files by this button. If you still don't have your message after that, make the backup of your message and click on the clear data. Clear the WhatsApp app, log in again and check your notifications. In the next step, try to update your system, so open the settings, then swipe down to the about device and choose the color as. Now if you have an app, just install it and check your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.